Adding an image list element. Hey there, this is Mark with ClickFunnels, and in this video we're going to go over how to add an image list element to your ClickFunnels page. The image list element is a bullet list element that allows you to upload an image as your bullet point. So by the end of this video, you should be able to answer, how do I add an image list element, and what types of image files are supported by the image list element. Now, prior to getting started, you'll need to have an active ClickFunnels account, a funnel, and an image file. Now let's go over how to add an image list element to your funnel. First, you'll need to access the page editor. For the funnel step, you want to add the image list element to. Then you'll need to add an element to the page. To do so, we can hover over the Elements button up at the top and then click on Add Element. Here we can either search for or locate the image list element. Once we find it, we can go ahead and grab it and drag it onto the page. Now you'll see this looks just like a bullet list. The only difference between this and a normal bullet element is that the icons here are actually images that we can change. So to do so, we'll need to click on the settings for the image list element. From here you'll see an icon image field where you can add an image here. Now it's important to note that this image must be 32 by 32 pixels in order for it to display properly on your page. And you can add a new image by clicking on this button here and then grabbing your image from the image library. Now let's go over some of the other settings that are specific to the image list element. We have the option to edit the bullet space by changing the amount of space in between our different bullets here. We can also adjust the left margin and have our bullets come either further into the page or farther back. Additionally, we have all of the settings that are typical in headline style elements that will affect the text inside of this element as well. Now it's important to note when uploading your image that the only supported image types are JPEG, GIF, PNG, WebP, and BMP. It's also important to note that using a third-party link inside of the field here is not recommended, as it will not be saved into ClickFunnels. We recommend uploading all of your third-party images into the ClickFunnels image library to ensure that the image remains available on your ClickFunnels page at all times. Now here are the key takeaways for this video. The image list is a bullet list element that allows you to upload a 32 by 32 pixel image to use as your bullet point. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.